bought another bike. Picked up a really good looking 76 Honda XL350. Got her home last night, got her cleaned up, and just for fun, we're gonna try kicking her over, see if she starts. Really good shape, looks to be very clean. Supposedly hasn't been started for about 3 years. We're gonna just see what it does. Who knows? Maybe it'll start, maybe it won't. So we definitely have gas going to the car because it's dripping everywhere. Scoot back. Heater's on. We should just make sure we got some oil in there. Yeah. It'll look decent. Broken. We've got a little loop right there. So choke on.
Go! Go!
Oh, no way. Choke down just a little bit. Runs a little smoky. Kind of see it hanging in the air. Pretty common for a motorcycle that's been sitting for several years, and he did tell me that it would smoke when you started it up pretty good, which I've found to be fairly common with these old 350s. The valve stem seals tend to start, well, they stiffen up and it sucks oil past the intake valves. We're gonna let it warm up. I'm gonna ride it around the track real quick and just see how she handles. So hang tight. runs, it rides. May have been hot dogging just a little bit on that, on the WAPs there. That last one, I really need to knock it down. It's a doozy after those 3 little ones. Seems runs pretty good. Does feel a little down on power. A little higher miles on it. Just coming back here to look and see what happened. So you got these 4 little bump, 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 and then this big one. And as you can see, I hit it, and it tossed me over the bars, and we went boom. I don't know what happened there. I burnt my jeans on the muffler. My leg got jammed between the tire and the header. So good thing I have my helmet on. Beautiful October morning here in Idaho. A little overcast, but perfect weather. I'm excited. This is gonna be a fun bike. Stay tuned for more.